Hi, this is Robin with the San Francisco Bay Area Sasquatch Believers. This is an area that I have been filming lately, and I wanted to show you these beautiful lodging facilities that seem to be here. Now the water came through here super high 2 days ago, so I think you can see back in here how high the water is. But look here, there's like a little living room space. All these trees are covered. Now this is where in the past I've seen shadow looking through here from over that direction. So today we're just looking for simple signs. And we're gonna go down over here. Oh, that was an interesting sound. Oh, there it was again. Sounds like somebody's throwing rocks right there. Okay, well, that's okay. Hi, it's me, Robin. Wait, Zuka. Wow, look at that. Let me see. Can I pull back anymore? Okay. Wait, Zuka. Wait. So they could have easily have been in here. And look at that beautiful dark mass. For all I know, there's still somebody in there. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, and there's like twisted, bent, sticking up, curved. Wow, that's a wild looking design on that one. Look at that. Wow, look at those. Okay, we're gonna walk this way a little bit. Zuka, you need to be on this side of me. Come over here. Come on this side. Puppy, come over here. Good dog. Oh my gosh, you guys. And that's a broken stick, right? They would have just come through here on a temporary basis, I think. Look at this. Wow. It's really soft through here. I want to just look at this little spot for a minute. Let's see what we got here. Total coverage. Some leaners. A couple of branches or some spaces to hunker down. Wow, look over there. There's another one. Where are you going, dog? Get over here. Huh. Yeah, look at that. Where are you going, Zuka? Get over here. Okay, let's go this way for a minute. Just for a minute. This way. This way. Okay, I'm still filming, you guys. Sorry. I forget to... There's a blue thing. I forget to... Zuka, wait now, puppy. Okay. I forget to hold it up where you can see it. Alright, let's see what do we got here. We don't want to go too far down. Get over here. Wow, look at that. Come on, puppy. Oh, there's a nice break. Let me see, what do we got here? Look at these beautiful contraption home things. I don't think that they would have stayed with the water coming through the way it did recently. I I'd like to look for footprints, but I doubt I would find any right now. Wow, look at this. This is like a freaking little hotel in here. Pardon my freaking. And it's super soft. I'm sinking way down inside there. Oh, sorry, you guys. Try not to have the phone, or the camera. Wait. What is that? Wait. Some more hidey hole spots. This tree looks like a good setup. Right here. Beside a cement crossing over there. Back onto that side. A few steps if we're really that tall. Wow, look at that. What is all that? Looks like cabling or something. It's all twisted. I would love to get closer to that water. Stirring up the gold. Okay, let's do this real quick. Here's we've got super soft here. And deep. Oh my gosh. This way, puppy, this way. There's probably little houses underneath.